to how to make a whole pattern in SolidWorks. Now first of all we start from a new part, select the part and press OK. Now our working area is open. Now first of all we select the spline and select the front plane. Now select the spline, draw here spline. Now give the dimension from the here. This one is 16, 30. Now this one 30. Okay, this one 10 mm. This one 120. Now finish this sketch. Now draw the second sketch, select the right plane, sketch. Now same here, select the spline, draw the spline. Now finish this sketch. Now two sketch is ready. Now select the surface, select the extrude surface, select this first mesh, select 150 mm. Now from here select the mid plane, finish the extrude. Now second one, extrude, select the second sketch, extrude up to 150 mm mid plane. Now finish the sketch. Now enter in the sketch, select the convert entities. Now select the intersection curve, select the both surface, finish this one. Now you can see here the intersection curve is generated. Now finish the sketch. Now hide the both surface. Now select the features and from there select the sweep pose command. Now here select the circular profile, select the path and now enter the diameter 5 mm. Finish the sketch. Finish the swept command. Now mirror this feature, so select from the mirror. So now first of all select the plane, right plane, and now body to mirror. This one also mirror, you can see. Now use the circular pattern. Now first of all we provide the center plane, select the plane, from here select the front plane, 80 mm in hit the direction, finish the planes. Now sketch, select this plane and draw the center line. Now convert into center line, reference line, finish the sketch. Now features, select the circular pattern. Now from here select the body, and now select the direction, center line select. Now enter the 25 mm number of patterns. Now you can see here. Now hide the plane, hide the center line, Now apply the material. Material. Now our tutorial is finished. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe my channel 3D CAD Tech. Thank you for watching.